Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on your PC. There are two main methods. Let's get started. The method one is using the camera app if you have a webcam. All you need to do is to open the camera app, then search the camera. Open the built-in camera app. Then here, there's a barcode. Scan the QR code. Hold your QR code in front of your webcam, and if supported, it can auto-scan and display the content or URL. This method only works for your PC or laptop that has a functional camera. Then, the method 2, using a QR code scanner app, no camera needed. Open the Microsoft Store and press Windows key and search for Microsoft Store. Open it. Then search for the QR code scanner. Select the app by the Matchas Dike or Dock. Click Get to install. It's totally free. Then save the QR code image to your computer and open the installed app and choose Open Image File. Then select your QR code image and the app will instantly read and display the code content. And that's it. You can use the camera available or the QR code app if you're working with the image files. No third party website or browser extension. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.